The 2027 Mazda CX-90 is doing something no other mainstream three-row SUV can match, delivering genuine luxury materials, a turbocharged inline-six engine, and driving dynamics that feel more like a sports sedan than a family hauler. If you're tired of three-row SUVs that force you to choose between power and efficiency, or between premium quality and affordable pricing, this updated CX-90 solves all problems at once. While most competitors give you either cheap plastic interiors with good engines or premium cabins with sky-high price tags, the CX-90 packages Lexus-level materials with a silky smooth 340 horsepower inline-six, all with the mainstream sticker price. Elegant exterior. Walk through any parking lot and you'll notice something. Most three-row SUVs look aggressive, maybe too aggressive. Oversized grills, busy body lines, styling that screams for attention. That approach gets old fast. 5 years later, those bold designs start looking dated. Buyers end up stuck with something that hasn't aged well. Mazda took a different path with the CX-90. Where rivals rely on aggressive styling, this SUV wins through sophistication. The proportions feel right. Long hood, sleek roofline, balanced stance, clean lines replace unnecessary creases. Thoughtful details take the place of busy styling elements. This design philosophy pays dividends over time. The CX-90 still looks fresh years after competitors have started feeling stale. The 2027 model year is bringing subtle refinements that enhance the already mature design. Updated lighting signatures will add modern flair without chasing trends. Minor grille adjustments are creating a more premium presence. New wheel designs and color options are expanding the personalization possibilities. Think of these changes as fine-tuning rather than reinvention. The core design remains timeless. In a segment where many SUVs blend together, this Mazda continues standing apart as one of the most elegant choices available. But elegant styling means nothing if the powertrain can't back it up, and that's where the CX-90 really starts separating itself from the pack. Capable and very efficient. Here's a frustration many three-row SUV owners know too well. You need power for highway merging and passing, but that power usually means filling up constantly. The fuel bills add up. Most manufacturers force you to choose between capability and economy. The CX-90 is rewriting those rules. Under the hood sits a turbocharged 3.3-liter inline-six, a rarity in this segment. Base versions are producing 280 horsepower. Step up to S models and you're getting 340 horsepower with 369 pound-feet of torque. That inline-six configuration brings something competitors can't match. The engine operates with exceptional smoothness at normal speeds. There's no buzzy four-cylinder vibration at highway speeds. Power delivery feels refined, almost luxury car-like. Performance numbers prove the capability. 0 to 60 happens in just over 6 seconds, putting this Mazda ahead of rivals like the Kia Telluride and Toyota Grand Highlander. Passing power comes instantly. Highway on-ramps become non-events. You're getting V8-level performance without the penalties that typically come with it. Because here's where things get interesting. Despite all that power, the EPA rates the CX-90 at 23 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. In real-world testing, this SUV delivered 29 miles per gallon on the highway. That's better than most gas-only competitors with similar power. The transmission works seamlessly with the engine, finding the right gear without hesitation. All-wheel drive comes standard across the lineup. No mainstream SUV is matching Mazda's gas powertrain for this combination of smoothness, power, and efficiency. You're getting performance when you need it, and economy when you don't. Now, if you think that efficiency is impressive, the hybrid version takes things to a completely different level. Useful EV range. Talk to plug-in hybrid owners and you'll hear a common complaint. Their electric range sounds good on paper, but in real driving, they're burning gas before they even reach the grocery store. Token battery packs feel like false advertising. The electric range becomes more of a marketing gimmick than a practical benefit. The CX-90 hybrid takes a different approach. At its core sits a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. Combined system output reaches 323 horsepower with 369 pound-feet of torque. But the real achievement is the electric range. EPA estimates put it at 25 miles on a full charge. That number matters because it covers actual commuting patterns, school runs, errands, daily drives to work. Many families will complete these trips on electricity alone. In testing, the CX-90 hybrid actually exceeded the EPA estimate by 1 mile. You're looking at genuine all-electric capability for the drives that make up most people's daily routines. Gas stays in the tank. The engine doesn't even start. Performance doesn't suffer either. The hybrid hits 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. That's quicker than the gas-only version. Low-end torque from the electric motor makes acceleration feel effortless. When the battery depletes, fuel economy remains strong. The EPA rates the hybrid at 24 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway in hybrid mode. Real-world testing confirmed 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Charging takes about 90 minutes on a 240-volt connection, which is quick enough to top up between drives. But impressive powertrains only tell part of the story. Where the CX-90 really surprises is when you open the door. Classy interior. Sit inside most mainstream three-row SUVs and the compromises become obvious. Hard plastics dominate, switchgear feels cheap. The overall ambiance screams, budget-conscious family hauler. You're constantly reminded this isn't a luxury vehicle. Then you check premium brands and face sticker shock. The gap between mainstream and luxury feels massive. The CX-90's cabin bridges that gap. Premium materials appear throughout. Leather upholstery, fabric dashboard inserts, aluminum trim. This isn't typical mainstream brand territory. Soft-touch surfaces replace hard plastics. Dashboard stitching shows attention to detail. The execution feels more like luxury marks than volume manufacturers. Build quality matches the materials. Panel gaps are tight, switches operate with precision, and surfaces feel substantial. Press a button and it responds with a satisfying click. Close a door and it shuts with a solid thunk. Higher trims get Napa leather that rivals premium competitors. Even the base preferred trim maintains high standards with leather seats and quality materials. You're not sacrificing interior quality to get an affordable entry point. The second row offers genuine comfort. Captain's chairs are available on upper trims. They're supportive and well-contoured, good for long highway trips. The third row is more compact, typical for the segment, but the first two rows deliver space and comfort that match or exceed premium badged alternatives. You're getting Lexus-level materials at mainstream prices. Build quality is on par with most premium badged competitors, something shoppers will notice immediately when comparing options. Of course, a premium cabin doesn't mean much if the driving experience feels like every other family hauler out there. Ride quality, class-leading. This is where Mazda separates itself from mainstream competitors. The CX-90 features a sophisticated suspension setup, control arms up front, multi-link design out back. Steering weight feels substantial without being heavy. Turn-in response is immediate. Body roll stays minimal through corners. Unusual for a vehicle this size and weight. The chassis balance impresses most. Many competitors wallow through turns. The CX-90 feels planted and controlled. It changes direction with precision unusual for a three-row SUV. You can carry speed through highway curves confidently. The suspension manages to be firm enough for control, yet compliant enough for comfort. Road imperfections get absorbed effectively. Highway expansion joints don't crash through the cabin. Wind noise stays low at highway speeds. The overall refinement level exceeds what you'd expect at this price point. When you put the CX-90 through challenging roads, the athleticism becomes obvious. The steering communicates what's happening at the front wheels. Weight transfers feel controlled and predictable. The chassis responds to inputs with confidence. No mainstream rival offers that kind of driving engagement, not even close. This SUV makes every drive more enjoyable, whether you're running errands or tackling back roads. Now, with all these upgrades and premium features, you're probably expecting a significant price increase. Launch date and price. The 2027 Mazda CX-90 will be arriving at dealerships later this year. Mazda is keeping the changes focused on refinement rather than radical updates. That strategy is helping control costs. Price increases are going to be minimal compared to the current model year. The gas-powered CX-90 is about to start around $41,000. The range-topping S Premium Plus will land near $59,000. Those numbers represent slight increases over the current pricing, in line with typical annual adjustments. The hybrid lineup is following a similar pattern. Base preferred hybrid models will start around $53,000. The top Premium Plus hybrid is targeting $61,000. That pricing keeps the CX-90 competitive within its segment. You're getting premium materials, advanced powertrains, and sophisticated dynamics. When compared to similarly equipped competitors, the CX-90 remains an excellent value. The combination of style, efficiency, and driving engagement is rare at this price point. Mazda is positioning the updated CX-90 to maintain its reputation as one of the most most compelling three-row options available. For buyers seeking sophistication without luxury brand pricing, this SUV continues delivering. The 2027 Mazda CX-90 makes its case through execution, not promises. Timeless design that won't look dated in 5 years. A turbocharged inline-six delivering V8 performance with impressive fuel economy. A plug-in hybrid offering 25 miles of actual usable electric range. An interior that matches luxury brands at mainstream prices. Driving dynamics that turn every trip into something enjoyable rather than just transportation. All of this arrives later this year with minimal price increases, keeping the CX-90 positioned as exceptional value in the three-row segment. For buyers who refuse to compromise between sophistication and practicality, Mazda is delivering exactly what the competition can't match. But the competition is shaping up for the next year as well. If you're looking for an alternative that offers a similar level of luxury and refinement, then you definitely want to check out our next video about the 2027 Kia Telluride. The new generation is coming, more luxurious, more spacious, and more capable.